All right. It's time for circle. Let's stand up.
What in the world?
And say the Pledge of Allegiance. Right hand on our heart. Eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side, and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we'll reach our dreams. If we don't know that pledge, we have to try to repeat it so we learn it, because next year in kindergarten, we're expected to learn it and know it as well. So you get an extra year to try to practice and get it ready. So don't stand there and just listen. Try to say the words. Come along with us, even if you're repeating it after we say it. Today is the 18th day of March. Let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Your turn. And today is Thursday, March 18th, 2021. Looking at our pattern, we have our clover and our hat, and it's 3 of each. So let's start all the way at the beginning and say it with me. Hat, hat, hat. Clover, clover, clover. Hat, hat, hat. Clover, clover, clover. Hat, hat, hat. Clover, clover.
Hat.
Do I have 3? Clover, 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 because I need to have 3. And that is Baby Yoda holding my clover, but his name's not Baby Yoda. I always forget.
I don't know.
We said it was going to be sunny today. Is it sunny outside? No, it is not.
Raining.
It is raining outside. But what about tomorrow? For our Friday, what kind of weather are we going to have?
Snowy.
Ooh, snowy.
Yeah.
I've heard that that's what it's supposed to do.
Really?
I should look down and see if it's still
I
there.
don't believe it.
I want to know.
Teasing,
I
teasing.
want to have a big.
You want to build a snowman?
I want to big.
Do you want to
big-
build a
I want to make a
snowman?
big house out of snow.
That sounds like fun. Let's say our alphabet together. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, we're counting to 20. Let's get those brains woken up. Let's stand up. Stand up. Grab those toes. Reach all the way up to the sky. Shake those fingers. Touch your belly. Give it a rub. Give yourself a pat on the back because you're doing a great job. Try with the other hand. Rub your head. Say, wake up, wake up.
Wake up, wake up.
All right, here we go. Sit down. Let's give it a try. Let's see if it works. Everyone's counting 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 18,
19, 20. Remember, we're counting together. This helps us to count together. If I'm pointing to 12 and you're saying 13, that's not counting together. When I'm pointing to 12, we're saying 12 together. Then, if we're not counting together, that sounds like this. We don't want that. All right, counting backwards from 10. Here we go. Say it with me.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Awesome. Looking at some shapes. What shape is purple? Octagon. What shape is yellow? Star. All right, after we're done looking at colors, we're moving on to our nursery rhyme. Our nursery rhyme this week is row, row, row your boat. Go ahead and grab those oars and get in that boat. We're going to row it. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Life is but a dream. Grab them again. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. All right. Let's go ahead. All right, we're looking at some numbers. What number is this? 8. But this one? 2.
6.
Oops, sorry. Back here. What number is this? 6. What's this one? 10. What's your numbers? 1 and 0. We might need to stand. What number is this? 4. 7. What number? 7. But this one? 1. Excellent. 9. Obviously need to rearrange. This one? 3. What's this one? What's that? 5. We have worked on the letters. E, H, T, U, C, O, Q, G, and S. And our letter this week is J. And J says
Jumping.
We're waiting though. So now we are building the letter. Alright. And we're getting our mats out.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you
Better. Remember to start it at the top.
letters, start your
Letters at the top. Reaching up.
letters, start your
Letters at the top.
letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters
At the top.
Hard pass. Start your letters at
There
the
you
top.
go. 4.
Where do you start your letters
At the top.
If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top?
It's the top.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
Reach up to that top. Way up at the top. Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. All the way down. Reach down. Way down. The bottom. Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Right, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom.
start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top.
Here we
Is
go.
this the top?
No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle.
It's the top, top, top. Where do you start your letters at the top?
All right. Friend, we're on our bottoms. Crisscross applesauce.
Crisscross applesauce.
Mhm. We're making the letter J today. Hands in lap.
On the floor.
Listening ears are on. My turn. Big line down. Turn. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. One more time. My turn. Big line down. Look where my finger is. Have I turned yet? Nope, because I haven't said it. Turn. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Your turn. Are you ready? Here we go. Fingers at the top. And we say, big line down. Turn. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Let's do it one more time together. Fingers at the top. His eyes are completely closed. Big line down. Turn. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. All right, your turn together. Here we go. Just you. Tell me how to do it. Just you. Tell me how to do it. Here we go. Do it together. Big. Not big curve. Big line. You say it. I can't hear you. Big. Turn. Yeah, you need to have your finger on your mat. Let's try it again. Finger on your mat as you say it. Nope. Sit on your bottom. Crisscross applesauce. And say it together. Here we go. All right, that's the end of our circle time. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you tomorrow for Friday.